Solar is a great investment, but what if I told you that even perfectly installed systems can still run into costly issues? In this video, I'll share the 5 most common problems that we've experienced after installing over 2,500 solar systems and how to catch them before they cost you money. The number one issue that we see post-installation are inverter issues. So what exactly are the inverters? The inverters are the brains or the CPU of your system. They do far more than just converting the electricity from direct current to alternating current. They'll manage the electricity or monitor the electricity coming in from the grid. If it's outside of a specific voltage range or range, it'll shut down the system. That's for safety protection. And also manage the voltage produced by the system so that electricity flows to the correct places. If you're overproducing, it'll flow back over to the grid. In addition, the inverters connect the system to the internet, and this allows for the production tracking of the system. So who covers the cost of an inverter failure? Well, most inverters come with either a 10, 12, 15, 25-year warranty, but that is the warranty for replacing the hardware. In addition to that, there's the cost of the labor to install it, to diagnose the issue. And that's typically covered by a workmanship warranty that's offered by your solar installation company. The second issue we see post-installation is an incorrect setup by the utility, not giving you the proper credit you deserve from your solar system. Once your solar array gets installed, your utility company will either remotely set up your net metering or they'll come out locally and do it on site, but they're going to set up a metering to capture the credit of your solar. If that's not done correctly, you may not find out for a month, 2, 3, 4 months after the fact that you're not getting the proper credit for your solar production on your utility bill. So we encourage our customers after the setup, after their first month or second month, to send us a copy of their electric bill so we can help them confirm that they are in fact getting the correct credit for their solar energy. Linked in the description below is a video that will walk you through exactly what your utility bill should look like after going solar. The third issue that we see post-installation are internet issues. It's important that your system remain connected to the internet. If you have our 10/10 guarantee, one of the things that we're guaranteeing to you is the production of your system. And we need to be able to track that production. If your internet goes down for an extended period of time, as your installer, we have no insight into the production of your system, and that can void your warranties. The fourth issue that we see post-installation is system damage. This can come from a variety of different reasons. So one of the things we've seen are squirrels nesting behind your systems or underneath your solar array, sometimes eating and chewing wires, which, as you can imagine, can cause significant and costly damage to your system. And then there's damage from things completely out of your control, like weather. There could be hail, tornado, lawnmowers coming by that could damage your system. And for that reason, we suggest that you get insurance for your system. When we provide you with the proposal, we show you the estimated cost of insurance on the proposal, so you'll get a great idea of exactly what your return of investment will look like, including the insurance. So the fifth issue that we see post-installation is shading and soiling. Both of these can impact the production of your system. When it comes to shading, we do a shade analysis at your site at the time that you purchase the system. And we're making the assumption that that shading analysis is going to remain consistent for the life of the system, or at least throughout the guarantee and warranty periods. If for some reason new trees grow or you allow any type of overgrowth that shades the system more than it was when we initially sold it to you, that's going to impact your production, impact your warranties. The same is true with soiling. If you live in an area, maybe on a gravel road or an environment next to a wood shop where you're kicking up a lot of soil or dust, that's going to impact your solar production as well. And you may want to consider having your solar panels cleaned on a regular basis. Generally speaking, you don't have to. The rain will do it for you. However, if you're in an environment where there's excessive soiling, you most certainly want to make sure that you get your solar panels cleaned. And you'll know if shading or soiling is becoming an issue because your solar production will be reduced and you'll see that reflected on your utility bill. So those are the 5 most common issues that we see after a solar system is installed and energized. Being aware of what could go wrong allows you to be proactive and get the most out of your solar investment. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out our other videos for an honest inside look at all things solar energy from the team at Paradise Energy. Thank you for watching.